Sì, dai.
Vai. Chi è che l'offre?
No, my perfect sign. I'm not quite sure what she
Zach! Zach!
There's no dry spot on me.
No!
I have been outside forever. The only break I took was to take my bunny belt off, put it in my backpack.
Snowstorm! Oh my gosh, so cold! Oh. They really never have snowstorms in Rome, so this is rare. It's so pretty though.
Colosseum. I don't know if I'll be able to get to the field because I'm too wet.
Katie, like I just took a picture of me up close.
Is that the bus stop over there? I think that's the tourist.
Oh man, snow! Woo!
I fall just as much as you do. Over here.
Katie, Taylor, and Zach, there's snow on my camera. I'm videoing it.
Oh, you're videoing it.
Yeah. So slippery and slushy. Colosseum's closed, forum's closed. Luckily we already did both. What a beautiful day in Rome, right?